What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, we have a new one for you today. If you follow the channel, you know how much we like Anker products. We're not sponsored by them in any means. We actually buy everything you see with our own money because we really believe in the product. We have a new one for you today. It is one of their bigger power stations, actually. This is a 60,000 milliamp hour battery. It is their Series 5 backup generator, so to speak. Because it is such a large battery, they came in 60,000 milliamps and 90 even. So these aren't going to be something you necessarily want to travel around with, obviously hanging off your jeans pocket or anything like that. But if you're camping, have a small power outage, this could be a good option to have. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. Let's go ahead and unbox it really quick. We're going to be using this for our Starlink Mini to try to power it. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so as you can see, minimalistic packaging, Anker Live Charged, the world's #1 mobile charging brand. Nothing so much on the side, just letting you know it is a Series 5 device, and just a couple of other details. Nothing else specific to this device except for letting you know it does have fast charging via leading technology. So let's go ahead and just cut this open and take a quick look at this backup. For those of you not familiar with this one specifically, it does have, thanks to its size, basically a generator outlook or breakdown on it of 87 watts. It does have that smart display to help you out with and all of that. Right when you open it up, you get a little bit of reading materials, nothing significant. It does come in two colors, green or black, and comes with this tiny USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's throw all this down and get right to the star of the show here, the Anker power bank. And you can see it has a nice handle to carry that folds around. And this is actually very nice. I really like this forest green color here. You do have a digital display letting you know your time left to full charge and time left depending on what devices you are charging. Something else very cool with this version is it does have the ability for solar inputs. They're sold separately or in a kit as well. So if you're looking at getting solar, this comes in a kit for about $55 more right now on sale for Black Friday with this same battery backup and the solar panels, and it's under 200 bucks. Very, very sweet and good to see. It does also have a light, as you can see, and it only came with 27%. Let's peel this off. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a full charge before we get going with it, but on top here, it actually does pop up and open, and you can actually turn on a light. So you can see right off the bat, once we activated that, it's letting you know there's 64 hours and 41 minutes remaining if you were just utilizing this light. You can obviously turn it brighter, it'll take a hit on battery life, or completely off. You do have two USB-C inputs as well as two USB-As. They do have fast charging on this. You have a SOS button, and as you can see, emergency locator glow strip on the side, but nothing else to it. It does have some weight to it, obviously being 60,000 milliamps, but from maybe needing to carry this when camping or something, it is not ridiculously heavy to the point where you might not want to carry it with you. Let's go ahead and open this cable up, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug our iPhone in to give you an idea of exactly how much battery you'd have if you're charging an iPhone 16 Pro Max device and all of that. And as you can see, this is it on the Amazon shop right now for only $89, normally priced at $140. So let's swipe up out of that, plug this right in, automatically went to charge. Let's set this down, and you can see with even just 27% battery, you're gonna have about 6 hours. It will kind of fluctuate a little bit once the wattage starts charging it more, but it's outputting at 8 watts right now. And with that, the iPhone's about 93%, that's why it's so low. So you'd still have a little over 5 hours and 47 minutes left of this charge while charging your iPhone. So not bad, plenty of battery left over to use if you want to utilize something like that. We do have other Anker chargers that I'll grab for you. Like this one right here, that is only 10,000 milliamps. Another display on it though, but you can clearly see the size difference. This is more portable, where this isn't meant to be. So yeah, let's unplug this, I'm going to get this baby charged up to full. It does have fast charging. You should go 0 to 80 in about an hour or so. We'll get this going. Again, I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you interested in one of these? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.